Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Kimberly Brown. Today I'm going to do a very minimal look. It's a look that I've come across and I keep expanding on it and love the way the simple colors extend my green eyes. We need to take care of ourselves, and in order to do that we need to use the proper items, right? The proper products for the right place. So we use our skincare for our face, our neck, and then we use our eye products for our eyes. So once I do all my skincare ingredients, my lips, everything, then I'm going to use my Dynamic Wrinkle limiter, and I've been using this right here. It was designed for people who get Botox to help extend that time that they, in between when they do and don't have it. It's just not something that I've ever felt I needed to. You know, I will do what I can do to keep my skin looking healthy. So then the next thing that I love to do, of course our day cream has 30 SPF in it, and because I'm going to be outside and it is sunny, even though it's 23 degrees or 26 degrees probably by now, I am going to follow up with our foundation primer that has a little SPF in it, as well as it will absorb oil, holds the moisture in. I will always use my foundation primer. It just helps with that. So I put my foundation on primer first, and then I use my matte wear Beige Neutral 150. I love this foundation. Just leaves a very nice overall look. It's layerable if you need to. I always put some extra, I go back and tap it in on a couple of areas that So how many of you have your shopping done? You have all your shopping done? You don't have to buy anything for anybody? Well, kudos to you. I cannot say that. In fact, yeah, I cannot say that. So I'm just going to go with what I call my very basic look. It's a very simple, very easy. With my overall, Biscotti is my go-to. I love my color Biscotti. And then I am going to go with my Cashmere Haze. I love Cashmere Haze. And today I'm just going to run it right in the crease. I'm going to bring a little bit, I'm going to turn my brush a little bit, and I'm just going to start feathering it out a little, blending it. So I used Biscotti, and then I went with Cashmere Haze, and now I'm going to use Burnished Bronze. And I'm just going to put that right here. And I'm going to bring a little bit on the edge. I have to go do some spas and a pool today. I was going to take Ripley, but I think I'm going to leave him home. It's so cold. Even with his boots on, he just gets so cold. I don't need him freezing on me. And I'm using my nice little eye crease brush. It's actually discontinued. I have a lot of them though, and I love the way it fits in there perfect. Like, and then I'm going to use my double edge, and I'm going to come back with just plain old Cinnabar, and I'm just going to pat it. It's a matte. It has no frost or no sparkle to it. I'm going to just pat it on the outside. And the reason I'm doing this is because I was going to bring my other one down, but I think I'm going to wait. Very simple. And then the last thing I'm going to go with is the Moonstone. And I choose Moonstone because it's not a white. It has a little bit of a brown in it, just to give it a little light bit of like a gold. No, I don't want to say gold. And then, let's use my Darling Pink. Go with our bronze highlighter. This is light ivory. Light ivory works very well for my skin over top of my beige foundation. And the reason I do this is to give my eyes a little bit of powder. I'm going to go back with my black. Very, very, very thin. If you know me well enough, you've been watching me. Okay, so then I'm just gonna do a quick curl lash. This is always when you can see how's my eyebrows plucked, good or not. The sun is very bright out there. It's supposed to rain this weekend. So all the snow we got right now sounds like it's going to get washed away, which is good. I curl my lashes because they're very small and they like to come out straight. And this way they curl up a little bit and they don't stick to the bottom lashes. Otherwise, I'm constantly messing with them with my contacts. It just gets to a point, it's like whatever. And I always start out with Ultimate Lash. I love the way it extends them, thickens them. It makes it look like I have lashes. And the one thing I like the best is I love the brush. I love the brush applying the product. We have 5 different mascaras and 3 of them have the same type of brush. And every time I use that brush, I don't feel like I get as nice a looking lashes. Someone that has really long lashes, it does a phenomenal job on them, or even just has a lot of lashes. See, my lashes are very thin, like my hair, and so why wouldn't they? So the Ultimate and the Lash Intensity has a different brush, and it applies the product, and so it will get more product on them. Now, the one thing you want to know about maybe you don't know about, little fun fact here, is our mascaras, all of the mascaras have vitamins in them. They all have very good vitamins in them, so they help with your lashes, on keeping your lashes. And ours feeds it. So I'm going to put some earrings on before I leave, and I'm going to finish fixing my hair. But there you go. Good hydration, perfect hydration. After wash my face, I used our volume lifting serum. Love that. And then I used the dynamic wrinkle limiter, which just helps. I use it in the morning and at night after my cleanser. It's helping with these lines that I have. Of course, I still use my mask because I love my BioCell mask. And then I top it all off with either the night or the day cream. And then, because it's the daytime, I go through my regular makeup routine. And this is what you get. So, have a fabulous day. Hope to have this up by Sunday night. And I want to see how many people already have their Christmas shopping done. Just send me a quick comment. Got my Christmas shopping done. And we'll go from there. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. Want to make sure you get good information. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. So if you like this look and want to see how I do it, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and you will never miss out on any upcoming video. And as always, thank you for watching. It's Kimm Brown. See ya.